Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sahil Mahajan, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look into RDS read replicas. So in the previous video, you guys did see that read replicas is one of the functionality, or you can say features that you get when you deploy an RDS to AWS. So let's dive right into the video. So let's talk about what is a read replica. It's basically a read copy of your master or primary database. So if you guys call it a master database or a primary database, it's just a read copy of your main database. It is very good for read heavy workloads. For example, if you have a team that needs to create end of day reports on your master database, you can basically create a read replica or a copy of your master database so that the reports team can use that read database to make their reports. It helps to take load off your master or primary database because now what's happening is instead of your reports team querying your master database, they are querying the read replica database, which allows only reads. So that takes the load off of your primary database. And each read replica that you will create will have its own DNS endpoint. So for example, if you are using JDBC or however you are connecting to your database through your code or any other application, instead of providing your master databases DNS, you will be providing the read replicas DNS in this scenario. And another cool functionality is that you can promote your read replica to become their own database. So after some time, if you feel that you want to make this specified read replica its own database, you can go ahead and do that. Let's talk about a bit more about read replicas. It is used for scaling read performance. Again, as mentioned, if you're having a lot of reads on your database or you're having end of day reporting wherein you need to query make reads on your database, setting up a read replica is very useful. One important thing is that your master or your primary database should have automatic backups enabled. If you do not have automatic backups enabled, you will not be able to create any read replica for that specified RDS instance. And multiple read replicas are supported. You can create up to 5 read replicas, and you can have 5 of them at the same point in time. And yep, there you go, up to 5 read replicas. So this is all about read replicas, what read replicas are, what are its functionalities, and I hope that you guys got a good understanding related to read replicas. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to leave a like. If there are any other topics out there that you guys would like me to cover, I please do make sure you comment down in the comment box. Hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye bye.